This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit an Audi A3 phone holder. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to gather your specific phone holder kit and any tools it recommends, like a plastic trim removal tool. It's also a good idea to give your Audi A3's dashboard or vent area a quick wipe down to ensure a clean surface. Always take a moment to review the instructions that came with your phone holder. They often have specific tips for your model. Now, let's pick the perfect spot for your phone holder. Think about where it will be most convenient for you to see and reach your phone without blocking your view of the road or any essential controls. Common spots include air vents, the dashboard, or even the cup holder area. Once you've decided, use an alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean that specific surface. This step is crucial for ensuring a strong, long-lasting bond for your holder. With your chosen spot clean, it's time to install the holder. If it's an adhesive mount, peel off the protective backing and press the base firmly onto the prepared surface. Hold it in place with consistent pressure for about 30 seconds to ensure maximum adhesion. For vent mounts, carefully clip it onto a sturdy vent slat. Double-check that all components are securely fastened and that the holder feels stable before placing your phone in it. Finally, let's make those last adjustments and test everything out. Place your phone into the holder and adjust the angle so it's perfectly visible without obstructing your view of the road. Make sure it doesn't interfere with your steering wheel, gear shifter, or any other essential controls. Give the holder a gentle wiggle to confirm it's securely attached and won't move around while you're driving. You're all set to enjoy hands-free convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.